Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Accord air filters. First, ensure your car is off and parked on a level surface. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your new cabin and engine air filters. Having the right tools makes this a quick and easy DIY task. We'll start by tackling the cabin filter, then move on to the engine filter, ensuring your car breathes clean air. To replace the cabin air filter, open your glove box and empty its contents. Gently press the sides inward to release the stops, allowing the glove box to swing down. You'll see a rectangular housing. Unclip its cover. Carefully pull out the old, dirty filter. Make sure your new filter's airflow arrow points downwards before sliding it into place. Reattach the cover and push the glove box back into position. Now, let's move to the engine air filter. Pop your hood and locate the large black air filter box, usually on the passenger side. There are typically 2 to 4 metal clips holding the cover down. Unclip them. Carefully lift the cover and pull out the old, often very dirty, engine air filter. Insert your new filter, making sure it sits flush within the housing. Reattach the cover and secure all the clips firmly. With both filters replaced, take a moment to double-check that all clips are secure and covers are properly seated. Close your hood, and you're all set. You've successfully improved your car's air quality and engine performance. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Regular filter changes, perhaps every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, are key to maintaining your vehicle's efficiency and your comfort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.